If you're looking for an easy yet gorgeous stunning hairstyle for a style, this one is absolutely one of the best one you've ever seen. So hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I achieved this stunning hairstyle on my daughter's hair, perfect for Easter celebration. So please stay tuned and I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So this is the hair I'm going to be working with. I've already detangled and then blow dry it a little bit so that it will be easier for us to manage, and then I've sectioned the hair in the way that it's going to be also easy for me to work with. So this is the hair extension I'm going to be using. I'm using the color 4 of this impression. Is an impression expression, I don't know how they call it, but it's an expression. It's the name is impression. So this extension, I really love it because I saw that it's more easier, it doesn't tangle, and it's easier for me to work with it. So with these pattern lines already in place, I'm going to start braiding her hair, which you're already seeing me doing. I braid it for beginners who would love to learn how to braid the hair. So this is what I was doing. I started by dividing our main hair into 2 and then the hair extension into 3. This method works for me well because it's easier for me to grip her hair. Just as you're saying now, separate the array hair into 2 and then I started to cross the braids, forming braids with the hair extension. Okay guys, so at the back I did 3 rows at the back, then 4 in the next section, and then 5 next. So with this way, the way I divided the hair into sections, it really helped me to be able to count and know how much is going to be in a session. As you can see, neatly done. 3, the next one will be 4, and the next one after the 4 will be 5. So the next one after that could be 6 or 7. So just stay tuned, watch along. I'll carry you along then. Thank you. Once I have finished the back section, I moved to the front section. This part was all about weaving, so I first found the center part and divided the front into two equal halves. And then I started from the sides. I've created some slant line for the exact weave style she picked herself. Yes, she chose this style, this look from Pinterest. So she originally wanted some beads, but we didn't have enough at home. So after seeing the final look, she actually fell in love with the simplicity and said, I don't need the beads anymore. I'm a big girl. Imagine. She's telling me she's a big girl. Anyway, so that is basically it. We just keep on weaving, creating the style we wanted, and then yeah. If you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also tell me what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you. Isn't this gorgeous, guys? See, it's so beautiful. So now that this part is done, we're going to move to the other side and also try and finish that off. Yeah. Now that I'm done weaving the hair, I went ahead to dip the ends of the extension in hot water. Then I also use a hot towel to gently pat the hair and release any tensions from the braids. I followed this up with some hair mousse evenly distributed throughout the hair, and also I blow dry it to seal in everything. She also wanted some curls in the front, so I added pre-coiled pieces to give her that final pop of flair. And there you have it, an elegant, simple, and beautiful hairstyle perfect for this Easter. She absolutely loved it and couldn't wait to show it off in different styles. Let me know what you think in the comment, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful hairstyles. See you in my next one. Bye.